Well, a Republican super PAC called the Congressional Leadership Fund is spending $1.2 million on political ads in Iowa so far.
And one targets State Senator Liz Mathis, saying she's too liberal. KCRG TV9's Ethan Stein is in the studio to fact check a couple of claims in that ad.
Jim, Beth, the ad suggests Mathis wants to defund police and supports the controversial Green New Deal. As we always do, we asked the group to explain its claims. Here's what we found.
Mathis marched with a far-left group that wants to defund the police.
For this, the group cites one tweet from 5 years ago. It's a photo of Mathis with members of Indivisible Iowa and the 2017 Hiawatha Fun Fest parade. The event is a community parade with bouncy castles and train rides for kids. The group's national parent group, Indivisible, did call to defund police in 2020, 3 years later. But Mathis has specifically said she is against defunding law enforcement and even voted for a bill to limit cuts to law enforcement. That, combined with the outdated citation, is why this claim gets an F.
She then hired a defund the police activist to help run her campaign.
The ad uses a story from the Iowa Field Report, an ultra-conservative news outlet. It's referencing tweets from two staff members from about a year ago, only one of which actually voices support for defunding the police. Calling that person an activist based on one tweet may be a stretch, but one staffer did specifically voice support, which is why this claim gets a B.
And Mathis is backed by a group pushing the Green New Deal that would hurt Iowa farmers.
This is referencing an endorsement from the League of Conservation Voters. This group is an advocacy group for environmental protections like the Green New Deal, which sets goals to cut emissions and use more renewable energy. But the deal is non-binding, meaning it's not enforceable and gives no specifics on how it would accomplish those goals. So the effect on Iowa farmers is very debatable. And Liz Mathis's campaign told TV9 she does not support the Green New Deal, but a group that does still supports her, and is why this gets a C.
A similar ad is also airing on TV9, but it drops that first claim we gave an F. The Republican super PAC is spending more than $150 million on ads across the country. In studio, Ethan Stein, KCRG TV9 News.
Ethan.